One friend that you deep inside know he's dragging you down, but you don't let go of him because it's not easy to let go of people, right? It's not. It's quite hard. And what are others gonna say about you? Like, you're all a friend group, but that one guy is like, you don't want to hang out with him. He's a cunt. Fuck that guy, man. But like, if you stop hanging out with him, others will judge. He will judge. He will be mad at you, bro. He'll be like, shit, fuck you, bitch. You don't wanna be friends with me? Fuck you! And I'm gonna take all your friends and all the other friends on my side, and you're gonna stay alone. That's what he would think to you, right? That's what you think he would think and do. So you think he's gonna take all away your friends? Maybe your friends are gonna look at you weird because like you're changing, you're fucking different. What the fuck is wrong with you? Why would you not want to have him inside of your group? Like, what the fuck? Are you like racist some shit, man? And we're not talking about racist here, right? We're talking about that guy that's dragging you down because of his personality traits. Because he's just a guy you don't want to be around. Because he does stupid shit that you don't want to do and don't want to be like. But like, it's hard. It's not easy to leave him, is it? Well, listen, I was in the same spot. I had a friend group of like 6, 7 people. And there's this one guy that I really didn't like. I mean, actually, he was nice. He was nice to chat about. He was nice to talk to, chat with. You know, he was pretty interesting at sometimes. But like, our paths were completely different. I was going self-improvement, and he was going even more degen that he could go. And I was like, motherfucker, stop. I even challenged him to a 1v1 in a fucking stupid video game. And I downloaded that stupid video game. Just because if I would win, he would have to do... Wow, how much? I think 30 push-ups every single day for a whole month. And I was thinking maybe I'm gonna get more self-improvement with that. Well, turns out I lost that stupid game and I had to keep that game on my fucking PC for a whole month and play with him. But like, you can see our viewpoints just from this. I was trying to make him better with winning. I literally risked my potential growth to make him better. Meanwhile, if he won, he said that I have to be playing this game and having this game every single day for the next 30 days. So you see, just with that action, I was trying to push him up and he was trying to push me down. And he always criticized me on whatever I did. I was trying to meditate, do the good shit habits and all this stuff, right? And he was just like, stupid, what the fuck is wrong with you? You have a weird mindset, you're dumb, you're fucking stupid, man. It's nothing wrong if you play games every fucking day. Yeah, shut the fuck up, man. That's what I thought, right? And that's what he was saying, right? I mean, he was saying all this stuff I just said, but that's what I thought. It's like, kind of shut the fuck up. I was kind of mad at him, but like, it's you get nothing from being mad at that guy, you know? You should take responsibility for 100% of things, and this is completely your fault. It's completely your fucking fault. If you're friends with him, it's your fault. If you're around him, it's your fault. Why the fuck are you around him? Oh, you went out of your friends group and they invited him. Oh, you didn't even invite him. Oh, right. There is so much shit I could say about it. Why the fuck did you go out with him? Like, tell them you maybe don't want him, you just want to go out with him. But if you know that there's some close people to him in the friend group, maybe ask them. Don't ask them. Simple. Maybe find another friend group. Yeah, but all that shit, it's hard, right? All that shit, it's hard. But who said life is easy? Like, I'm gonna tell you one thing. How did I get rid of that guy? You think you have to go up there and be like, alright man, I don't fucking like you. I hate you, you're this, you're bad, and you fucking drag me down, you're all this shit, and I don't want to be around you. Fuck you. And fuck everyone if you don't like me. Fuck y'all, I'm out of here. No man, you don't have to do it like this. I mean, if you want, but that's exactly, you're gonna probably start losing friends, but the real ones will always stay. But here's the thing. You don't need to go up and be that direct. You know, you can just do something very fucking simple. Start cutting him out slowly. Start cutting them out slowly. Be like, if he asks you to play the game or go out with him, be like, oh, I don't have time, man. I have to do this shit. And maybe I have some business stuff to do. I mean, not business, family stuff to do. I gotta learn for school. I don't know, we have this family meeting. I have to cook dinner. My mom said, otherwise she's gonna be very mad at me, bro. I can't come today. Sorry, man. Maybe next time. Maybe next time, but the next time never comes because you never plan it. And the thing is, you're always just if it's possible, you don't go out with him. And you really try to make it possible to not go out with him and be around him and communicate with him in any fucking form. And you can all do this very fucking easily, just calmly, right? Just slowly start distancing yourself from him or from them. And right, once you do that, they're just gonna stop interacting with you, because guess what? You're pretty soon gonna realize that for them you're not even so irreplaceable. They're gonna find a replacement for you sooner or later. And even though they fucking seem like you're like the number one thing, they're not gonna replace you, man. You mean so much to them, bro. You're like, you might be right now. But if you start distancing yourself from them, they're gonna start finding that guy that gives them those dopamine hits and all this shit, you know? They're gonna find a new guy. And like, it's gonna take maybe months too, it can, right? But like, you distance yourself, you don't have time for them. And the thing is, you distance yourself, so you start losing his mindset. You start going into your mindset, you start going into better, you start meeting new people, you start getting good shit. And you start improving. But okay, it's true that this is not possible all the times. You might think, well, actually, guess what? You can always find a way. But if you really think it's that hard, you might just have to directly address it. You just go up. You don't need to like be mad or some shit, right? You just go up and say, "Oh man, I don't think our paths going the same way. You're going there, and I'm trying to go here. So, I know we've been good friends and shit. We can still stay good, but like, I don't have time to hang out with you anymore because I'm focusing on my goals. I don't have time to play games because I'm focusing on my goals." And he's not gonna like it. Guess what? He's not gonna like it. And he's gonna be like, "Fuck you." Or maybe he won't. Or maybe he's gonna be very acceptable and be like, "Alright, bet." You don't know until you try. But whatever the fuck happens, you're gonna get your point straight. And now from that fucking second on, you can focus on your stuff and no longer worry about that guy. Simple as that. I mean, you know, you just gotta find a way. There's always a way. If you really want it, there's always a way. I got this quote actually written right here on the wall. It says, where is it? If it's important to you, you'll find a way. If not, you'll find an excuse. And I agree with this motherfucker 100%. Because if something is really, really, really life matter important to you, you'll find a way. Then you're thinking right now, oh wait, money? It's not. I want money as fuck, man. Money would save so much of my life problems. I mean, soul. Well, I guess you don't want it enough, man. Because, imagine this. One of your family members is literally in hospital right now. And they might die. If you don't find a fucking way to save them. What the fuck do you think you're gonna do? Do you think you're gonna spend a millisecond on that fucking stupid video game? No, you fucking won't. You're gonna grind your ass off. Literally. It's your parents. Bro, it's your parents. You're not gonna let that shit happen. You're not. And you're gonna work hard. And save them. Because you can't imagine life without them. And you see what I just said. It's important to you. This means the world to you. And you're not gonna waste a single second playing that stupid video game or doing that stupid shit habit that you would otherwise. So ask yourself right now, why in the fuck are you doing those habits then? You don't actually want to do them. They're not life important to you. They're not important to you at all. They're just dopamine hits. Bam, bam, bam. Remove them from your life. Find out. Take half an hour and just sit in the dark in your room at night before you go to sleep and just think to yourself, who the fuck do you want to be? What kind of a lad do you want to become? And write that shit down somewhere, maybe even on your phone so no one can see it, but write it down. And once you find it out, you can find out the direction you want to go in. And once you find that out, you gotta research on the internet how to get closer to that. And once you find that out, you change your self-image. And once you find your self-image, you start a fucking grind. You start cutting off people that are not good for you. Not everyone is good for you, right? I'm just saying that people that are dragging you down, you cut out the people that are dragging you down. There's some motherfucker that's trying to do drugs. Well, motherfucker, then cut that guy out. Cut that guy out, man. And start hanging with the real G people, man. Any fucking way. This video is quite long, and I hope you got some value from it. But if you want a part 2, I'm surely gonna make it. But you know what the time? It's gym time, motherfucker. Not just for me, but I'm challenging you, motherfucker, right now. Stand up. I don't give a fuck if it's 2 a.m. Stand up, go on the floor, and do 30 push-ups. Do 30 push-ups in a row, or not in a row, or in 3 sets. Just do 30 push-ups. And then see you on the next side. Embrace the pain, motherfucker! Wah!